This image is representing the life cycle of thinking product system. The cycle starts from material extraction. The next process is manufacturing production. The phase is transportation. Then I can see utilization and reuse. The final stage is disposal recycling. In conclusion, the cycle starts from material extraction and ends with disposal recycling. The given image illustrates life cycle of an apple tree. The seed is collected from the fruit with seeds. The next step is sprouting seed. From the sprouting seed, a new sprout is formed. The sprout then becomes sapling. The sapling grows and becomes a small tree. At the end of the life cycle, we get a fully grown apple tree, which is indicated with mature tree with fruit in the given image.
The multiple lines graph depicts the projected atmospheric greenhouse gas concentrations from the year 2000 to 2100. The unit of the emission is parts per million, ppm, of CO2. There are 4 different pathways. The first pathway will be responsible for the highest amount, which is almost 1300 ppm. Then the higher emission pathway, and flowing this, we can see lower emission pathway. Finally, there is the lowest emission pathways where the RCP is 2.6.
The given image shows how Dell does closed-loop recycling of plastics. The cycle generally starts from collection. Next step is sorting and shredding. Then the mold is created for manufacturing. After that it is assembled for shipment. Lastly, the product is ready for purchasing and using.
The provided line graph delineates the years to double the population from 1700 to 2025. It is clearly visible that the time to double the world's population is ever decreasing. In 1715, it took 544 years to double the population, whereas in 1804 it took only 304 years. On the other hand, in 1999 it took only 39 years. So, the prediction says the doubling time may increase in 2025.